Hello everyone, it's Marky. How's it going? I picked up some Matchbox hitch and haul sets. This one is really cool. It's called the Matchbox Rodeo. Check this out. Isn't that cool? Pretty cool. I like these Matchbox hitch and haul sets. They're pretty interesting. Oh wow, this one comes with double packing. It's got the little bubble that holds everything in place. Very cool. Let's unbox this baby. All right, this one is called the Jeep Wagoneer. It's copyrighted 2017. Stamped P48 on the base. Let's take a nice look at this beautiful Jeep. That's a really nice metallic brown color. Maybe it's a copper? Kind of like a bronze copper. What would you call it? Brown? Copper? Beautiful. Nice metallic little flakes in there. I love that. Looks really cool. Really nice nice sparkles, right? Nice sparkles in there. We do have some nice side view mirrors on this one, and we do have the windshield wipers partly molded on the die cast right there, and then the rest is right onto the glass. Very cool Jeep. Jimmy G's Rodeo and Bull Riding, Rio Rancho MN. Wow, so cool. There's another windshield wiper there, a little keyhole for the lock, little spot for the license plate. We do have that tow hook, which is great. And it does come with something that you can tow. We'll see that in a second. Nice chrome wheels. Beautiful stripes on the bottom. We have a few black stripes, a thin one, a fat one, then another thin one there. We do have the parking lights on the front and back, and they're both in amber color or a yellowish color. A really light interior, kind of like a creamy light color. We do have a left side driver, and we do have that roof rack on top. Nice grill in the front with the lights, all plastic. Nice spot for the license plate. All the details molded in plastic on the front end. And then the bumper back here and the tow hook, all plastic and all part of the base. There's the base. We see the exhaust coming out to the side over here. Really cool. There's our little elephant friend for Made in Thailand. And of course the Matchbox logo up here. What a beauty. I love it. It looks really cool. This one's been, of course, issued many times. The Jeep Wagoneer in different styles and colors. And it comes with this trailer. Look at this trailer. This is cool. Now this is plastic, so let's see, how do they match the color up? Oh, it looks really good. Actually, it looks really good. So this is plastic, and then the base is metal. Oh, wait. Oh, no, it's not metal, man. They had me fooled. I thought it was metal. It's plastic chrome, plastic body, plastic chassis. Wow, this trailer, no wonder it's so light. It's all plastic. Even the tow bar here is all plastic. Look at that. All right, this one's called the Pony Trailer. And this one's been out forever, right? Made in Thailand. This one's been released many times. It looks like they copyrighted again in 2016. Mattel, very similar to the vintage ones, right? There we go. That works pretty cool. Hooks up really well. And it rolls really nice. Man, this is a super nice set if you dig these kind of like real life scenarios, real life vehicles. Really cool pony set. And if you have the old one that comes with the little horses, you can have the horses out here. So what does this say on here? Goat tying, barrel racing, calf scramble, Jimmy G's Rodeo, and then it says Rio Rancho MN. Same thing on this side. Looks like it's the same thing. A lot of detail here sculpted in the back, on the back end here, on the doors and everything, but no colors, no extra colors. We do have the nice glass in like a blue tint. And we do have 2 support beams in there, one on this side and one over here on this side. And you can see right there the rivets for the support beams. Again, there are the markings, copyright 2016, stamp P48. And of course, made in Thailand. There's a little elephant, a little friend right there. Matchbox logo and made in Thailand. 4 wheels on the back. Really nice tires, all the same size with the vintage looking hubcaps. And the wheels don't match the Wagoneer. The Wagoneer. We have these 5 spokes that are the thicker spokes. They look really cool though. It looks really nice. Also, the tow hook is in gray. This one is black, the little hookup thingamajig. Forgot the exact name. This one also comes with a cowboy on a horse. Rodeo guy right here. Here's the marking on the base. Cowboy on a horse. He's got the lasso going. Very cool. It's nice plastic piece and kind of like a butterscotch color. And it stands up very well. We have a couple of cacti or cactus, and here's a cowboy just standing there with his rope. Got his sleeves rolled up. And he's got the lasso there. He's got the chaps on in the front there. Little cowboy hat. Pretty cool. I know there's a lot of guys out there that collect plastic figures, like little vintage toy soldiers and plastic pieces from play sets. Pretty interesting. These are kind of like a play set. You know, you get some action figures here, and then it comes with these cacti, a couple of cactus. Since there's more than one, I'm calling them cacti. Look at that. These will probably fit in with some tiny little figures. I don't know what size these are. It's gotta be what they call these. I think they go by millimeters when they talk about these figures, these little figures. If you know the size, let me know. What would the size be for these little figures and these little cactus trees here? And I don't know if I don't think this was marked with a scale on there, was it? No scale. I mean, we always assume it's 164. Sometimes they'll put a different number on there and nothing on here. Let's just assume it's a 164. I think this one over here doesn't have the scale. Or does it? It's a 75 Chevy Caprice or Capri. What do you call these? Caprice or Capri? Let's see how this old Matchbox here looks. Oh yeah, it looks really nice. Really cool. Let's check out this one. This one is the Holden UTE. Looking for the year. It's copyright 2017. I don't see a year on there, but pretty cool vehicle. I like it. It looks pretty nice. Looks like it. We got a nice scale there. Everything looks to be in scale pretty good. With some of these other Matchbox that I have in my collection. Just wanted to check for the scale. Let's try another card. Let me see. How would it look next to this one right here? Still pretty good. I think pretty good. I think they look pretty good. This would be funny, the banana car. Let's see how he looks next to the banana car. This one's really awesome. Really nice casting. The Mazda MX-5 Miata, which is now out in white. Isn't that nice? In black. Beautiful. Haven't taken this one out to play in a while. It's really, really nice. And this one, this is from the beginning of 2021. The last time this one was out, I believe. And what was that? Mix, like something like Mix 4, I think, of 2021. So not quite the beginning of the year, but maybe the middle of the year. I don't know. Mix 4. When does that come out? Probably not even the middle of the year. The first half of the year. Very cool. The banana car. What do they call this? Forgot the name. Big Banana. Can't believe I forget the name, but don't handle this one that much. You can see it's like brand new. Haven't even put him on a track or anything. The Big Banana. That looks good there too. I like when the scales kind of like go pretty well together. Let's try another one just for the fun of it. Yeah, this Porsche looks nice. This one's out in red. And this was the first, before the red, it was available like this in white. Not the first one, but available in white. Copyright 2009 on this one. VW Porsche 914. Really nice. Nice look on this one, right? With the red and the white. Looks really good. And it fits in perfectly, yeah. Nice. Really nice. And I guess the guy looks to be in scale too. Let's see how the horse looks next to the car. I think that looks about right. Cactus looks pretty good. I think they did a good job with the scale of this set. Really, really nice. Really, really nice. And there's a bunch of other sets. These are available now at Walmart, by the way, guys. Found these at Walmart. And man, let me see if I remember how much was that. Where's my receipt? I had it around here somewhere. I think they were like, was it $3.49? Not bad if it was $3.49. I don't know, for some reason I think it was $3.49. Not bad at all. And these are the other sets you can get. Very cool. And the copyright says 2021. And these just appeared at my Walmart, so I don't know. I hadn't seen them before. I've seen others, but not these. So pretty cool set. Really like it. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel. Very important, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.